Thanks for watching today, and a special thanks to many of you who tune in every single day for these public speaking tips. Just wanted to turn the tables a little and let you realize again, this is a format for you as well. So rather than me just talking today, I want to give you an opportunity to ask your questions. Any question you have about public speaking, giving presentations, speaking to the media, speaking during a crisis to the media, training, any type of speaking scenario, all you have to do is ask me and I will answer you in a future video. Now, I do these videos every day. There's no time constraint, so I'm always looking for new ideas. The best ideas, frankly, don't come from my head. They come from you. So you can email me at tj@tjwalker.com if you want. You can post it here on Facebook, post it here on YouTube, post it here on my blog, wherever you're watching this right now. Thanks so much.